This house has a lot of potential behind it. Let me take you on a tour through the home, and then I'll tell you the secret. Woodstock has a lot to offer anybody looking to live around the North Atlanta metro. You have fine dining at places like Prime 120, you have beautiful parks, you have casual, more laid-back restaurants like Ips, and then you have the amazing summer concert series, which I highly recommend you go to. But our house today offers something unique in terms of location. Here's the secret: you're only a 13-minute walk from the highly rated Little River Elementary. And get this, in just a few months, you are going to be within a 10-minute walk of Woodstock's brand new regional park. People are going to want to be near this new park when it comes online. So now we know the location's awesome, but what about the home itself? Let's dive back in. Stepping inside, the floor plan is completely dialed for an active lifestyle, but with just a good hint of luxury. The kitchen features expansive granite countertops, premium cabinetry, and an oversized island that flows directly into your main living room. Whether you're hosting a get-together with friends or just keeping an eye on kids while preparing dinner, the layout keeps everything connected, and frankly, it's one of the best parts of the whole house. Upstairs features massive bedroom configurations, ideal for giving everyone their own dedicated zone, a high-end home office space, or room to grow. Every corner of this property focuses on comfort and quiet transition zones. If you're planning a move to the area, click the link below to tour the full Zillow listing details for 432 Springview Drive. Make sure to drop a comment, like, and subscribe to get the absolute truth about North Atlanta suburb living. And if you want to master this town before you even land, download our complete hyper-local guide to living in Woodstock in the description below. If you need someone to help you look around for that dream home, feel free to reach out to me. My team and I will take good care of you. Take care and have a wonderful day. I wonder what happens if I give this tire swing a little push. Boop! How about that?